Jamaican race car driver Sara Misir turned up her preparation for the finals of the Formula Woman competition in March with a test run at the Dover Raceway in St. Anne at the weekend. But the 23-year-old says there is still lots of work to be done before her historic debut. Sara Misir got the opportunity of a lifetime when she got the news last year that she was selected to compete in the Formula Woman competition in the UK. But the work is just beginning, and the 23-year-old says she is up to the task.
I'm here, and I'm here from early in the morning, first one here to the last one here, and I'm there with my team every day, and I'm trying as best as I can while still being in school and working.
Misir was at the Dover Raceway in St. Anne at the weekend after making a short visit to Jamaica and was pleased with how her new vehicle responded.
So we're testing it today. We've been pushing it a little bit harder. It's been coming down every lap I go. I'm losing 1 second, so we have a lot of time to shave off. But the car is feeling good. My dad engineered it. We pulled it apart from the COVID year, the 2 COVID years that we had had no races. So we pulled the whole car apart. We fixed a lot of things. We changed a lot of things. Believe it or not, it used to be a pickup truck. So now it has changed by far. So I love it now. It's performing very well.
The history that Misir will create when she competes in March isn't lost on her, and she is hoping it will inspire other women in a male-dominated sport.
Well, I'm very proud to be representing my country, and to see all the support that has coming in has been fulfilling and overwhelming with happy emotions. So I can only hope that I can show that other women that they can do it. It just takes the work ethic, the time that you put in, and the discipline. But if you want it hard enough, you can get it.
The winners of this year's competition will receive a fully sponsored McLaren GT4 seat in the 2022 GT Cup Championship in the UK.